Hey, Artflare here, and I want to ask you something. Why aren't you making $2,000 to $3,000 a month online yet? Now, did you get confused or stressed when I asked? Don't worry, that's normal. Let me tell you that it is 100% not your fault. Many courses out there promise the world that you'll make all this money, get all this traffic, and they furiously underdeliver. My business partner Palab Gosal and I have fallen victim to this many times. So we made sure to go out and test what's actually working. And what's been secretly working for us has been delivering us instant traffic and commissions. Bringing us commissions just like this. Yes, this has all been generated in 30 days, and the best part, how we got this works in any niche. And there has literally never been another course teaching how we are doing this. We know because we perfected this ourselves. So today we are going to tell you about how you can start tapping into this high quality traffic and generating commissions like this yourself, without burning a hole in your wallet, without relying on any social media, and without waiting months to rank in Google. The truth is, there's one thing responsible for this flood of traffic and commissions. Something you definitely have not seen or thought of before to be so powerful in driving lots of high converting clicks. This works like nothing you've ever seen before. We were honestly surprised at how well this works at first and found it by accident. Now we are generating $50 to $150 per day, and you can join us in tapping into this rapid traffic. Introducing Incomely. Incomely is a step-by-step video series and case study that shows you how to generate fast, high-quality traffic and make instant commissions. Incomely works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, you do the secret setup. It only takes a few minutes. Step 2, you select an offer you want to promote that works in any niche. And step 3, enjoy the passive traffic and commissions. It's time for you to finally start getting high-quality traffic you need to get your profits off the ground. The truth is, getting traffic this way is fast, easy, and fun. It only takes 15 minutes a day and will supercharge your traffic efforts, even if you are a complete newbie. In short, you don't want to be missing out on adding this easy traffic to your arsenal. You know that. Not mentioning the $150 per day in commissions. We are offering Incomely to you today for cheaper than your lunch. And when you act now, you're getting 3 very special bonuses. Bonus 1, live training session with 2 traffic experts. Bonus 2, exclusive Facebook mastermind access. And bonus 3, sales generating software. So are you ready to see how much high quality traffic and profits you'll have a month from now after unleashing Incomely? Grab it now for the lowest price with all the bonus goodies. And we will see you on the inside.